What's going on, guys? Hope I'm not too overexposed. Never use this light vlogging at night like this. Got a little aperture light on here. Snowing out here. Snowing super hard. Look at that. Look at these tracks I made. They're super thick. Look at that. Streets are covered in snow. The ditch is full. Oh, this one's still filling up. Can't even see the street. It's crazy because there's like no breeze right now. Oh, don't mind this little guy. It's just my little lav mic. I have my filter, my dead cat on it. So try to avoid sound distortion as much as possible. Driveway's like packed with snow. All the cars are covered. I think I might start my truck before it freezes shut again like yesterday. I had to spend like 30 minutes trying to get the door to open. Look at her. Let's get some light on out here. Keys. Dang, it might be frozen shut again. No, it's not. Not yet. Ooh. See this? Yeah, the window's frozen shut again. Alright, so this has been an interesting night to say the least. Got the truck stuck into my yard. Had the coolest neighbors. They came out, tried to help me. But couldn't get it out. Guess the ground's too soft, too wet. The back tires dug in. I didn't go fast at all. Just try to baby it out, and I don't know, maybe the weight sunk it down at first, but it looks like the ground is really, really soft right now. I thought it would have froze more, but I was basically trying to get a picture of the truck in front of this tree in my yard. So hopefully it's better get like a 1,000 likes on Instagram or something. I did it for the gram and the book, you know, that good stuff. So yeah. Oh, this door was open. There we go. Now the lights turned off. There we go. Whew. Look at that mess. No worries, stuck in my yard, so just hope nobody comes flying through here and plows my truck. Or if they do, brand new truck for me. But yeah. Ooh, it's snowing so hard my coat is like soaked through almost. I've never seen it like this in Shelbyville all the years. I've seen it like this one time in Murfreesboro, but I was a little kid back when it snowed like this. Like, I don't even think I was at school yet. I remember it because there was so much snow everywhere. Should have built a snowman. The other cars in the driveway. The snow's coming up past the tires, so I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. But hey, it's gonna be a dope photo. Epic photo. But yeah, everybody, if it's snowing where you're at, you know, stay safe, stay warm. Much love. Don't forget, comment, subscribe, like, ask questions, whatever. All that good stuff. Share. Share this to your Facebook. Share this to your friends. Show them the embarrassing video of me getting stuck in the yard tonight.